On WhatsApp, we use to set the About section. And if you want to set this About section and you want no one to see it, you can set it like that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to set the About section on WhatsApp in a way that no one can see it. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you click on that, here you can see the Settings option. Click on Settings. When you click on that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, here you can see the About option. Click on About. When you click on that, here you can set your About section, and after that, down here you can see Visible and Chats to, and next to that you can see either Nobody, Everyone, or My Contacts option. Anyways, you need to click on that option. When you click on that, here you can see so many options. Here, we want no one to see this About section, so you need to select Nobody. After that, go back and click on this tick button. When you click on that, the settings will be saved. After this, no one will be able to see your About section on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.